Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is something every single engineer student needs to hear. AI is replacing engineering, not in the future, right now. So the big question is, should you be worried? Stay till the end because the answer will completely change how you think about your career. The scary truth. Let's start with the hard number. Goldman Sachs says 37% of engineering tasks can be automated by AI. That's more than one third of everything you are being trying to do. In just 6 months of 2025, over 77,000 tech jobs were cut directly because of AI, and AI engineering roles have already dropped to 10 percentage since 2020. But the most shocking one, workers aged 2022 to 25, that exactly you watched this, saw this employment drop between 6 and 20 percentage in AI exposed role. These are the real numbers, the real people, real jobs. So what AI can already do. See here in the industries. Now let me show you what AI actually doing inside companies right now. CAD design that used to take a junior engineer 3 days. AI does it in 3 minutes. Writing boilerplate code, second. Structural simulation that took hours, fully automated. Technical document review, AI handle it. Data analysis and reports, real-time output. So if you or plan after graduate was to sit and do this task every day, the plan is already outdated. So plan. So jobs most at risk. Look at this chart. These are the engineering roles with highest risk right now. Data engineering, 80% of the task can be automated. CAD techniques, 72% of tasks automated. QA testing engineering, 60%. Junior engineer, junior software developer, 58%. These are entry level jobs, the exact jobs most fresh graduate apply for. So as the bottom of the ladder is being replaced first. Now I want to be honest, these are estimated range from multiple studies, not one exact number, but every single study points in the same direction. The good news is, okay, now let's talk a breath, because here is a good news that nobody talks about. Engineering job growth is still positive across every single branch through 2034. Software engineering is growing at 15%, industrial at 11%, and mechanical at 9%. And here the big one, over 186,000 new engineering jobs are opening every single year. AI is also creating 78 million net new jobs globally, and the role of the AI engineering alone has been 143% growth in demand in just 1 year. So the field is not dying, it is transforming. Please note it. The field is not dying, it is transforming. Now, Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, and this one quote explain everything. One of the most powerful companies in AI said this: you are not going to lose your job to AI. You are going to lose it to somebody who use AI. Read that again. The threat is not the robot. The threat is the engineering sitting next to you in class who is already learning AI tool while you are not. That is a real competition. I am repeating, and this one question explain everything. You are not going to lose your job to AI. You are going to lose it to somebody who use AI. Read that again. The threat is not the robot, the threat is the engineering sitting next to you in class who is already learning AI tool. You got my point, I guess, Kurt. AI skills salary advantage, and here is the proof that this matter financially. Engineering with AI skill are earning 56 percentage more than those without. 56 percentage. This is not a small gap, and according to PwC's AI job promoter, the premium actually doubled in just 1 year. It was 25% in 2024 and jumped to 56% in 2025. So adding skill to your engineering degree is not optional anymore. It is the fastest salary upgrade you can give yourself before you even graduate. So what action plan you have to take? So what you actually do? Four things. Number one, start using AI tool in your field right now. AutoCAD, AI, MATLAB, AI, GitHub Copilot. Don't wait for your college to teach it. Learn it yourself. Number two, build the skills AI cannot replace. Creativity, leadership, on-site, judgment, client communication. These are fully human and always will be. Number three, combine your engineering degree with AI skill. Number three, combining your engineering degree with AI skill. That combinations gives you an instant 56 salary advantage. Most students skip this. Don't be one of them. Number four, stop thinking of yourself as just an engineer. Think of yourself as an engineer who controls AI. That is the job title of the future. So that should be worried. Yes, but be worried in the right way. Being worried enough to take action, that is smart. Being worried and doing nothing, that is dangerous. The engineer who will struggling or the one who ignore this video. This engineer who will win or the one watching this right now and actually doing something about it. That's you. Drop a comment below. Which engineer branch are you from, and are you already using any AI tool? I genuinely want to know. If this video make you think differently about your future, share it with one friend in engineering who needs to hear this. See you next one. Thank you.